In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can set up GitHub MCP in Cursor AI. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go into github.com, and from here you want to make sure that you have your token already. So first I'm going to go here into my profile icon at the top right, and from here I'm going to go into settings. Now I'm going to go into developer settings at the very bottom, which is right here. And now from here, you want to go into personal access tokens, and then you can go for fine-grained tokens or tokens that is classic, depending on what you have. So if you have your token in here, then you can click here and generate new token, or just select your already created token right here, and so on. Just make sure that you can get your token here. So in my case, I'll just go for create a new one. Let's say classic, and then from here, I'm going to go for a sample. And then from here, I'm just going to generate a token just so that we can get one for an example. And right here, so now we now have this, so now we can copy that. Next is you don't want to exit here because we're going to copying the installation code right here. So make sure that you save it somewhere so that you can copy it again. And now from here, you want to go here into GitHub official MCP server. By searching it up, you can go here into the first link, and then you'll now be prompted here. Now, from here, you want to go and look for the installation code. So we have installation in VS Code, and we have Claude Desktop and then the source. So we don't have specifically for Cursor, but the Claude Desktop would work fine. So this is what we're going to use by clicking on copy. Now, the next thing is that we want to go into Cursor now. And from here, you just want to go into Cursor settings right here, and then go into MCP. And then click on add a new global MCP server. And then just paste it here. Paste. Whoops, that's wrong. Right there. Paste that. And then from here, just input your token in here. So I'm just going to go back into the browser and go here and then copy the token, go into Cursor, and then paste. And there it is. And now that's it. And now you'd now be able to see it right here under MCP server. And then you should see a green dot once it's all good and it's up and running. And then just a brief note that the command line that is used here is Docker. So you'd need to install that in order for this to run properly. So that's it for this video on how you'd be able to connect your GitHub MCP in Cursor AI. Thank you for watching.